Is your mouse speed too fast or too slow or too sensitive? Then you can finish up this short video tutorial, as we would show you how to adjust the speed and the sensitivity of your mouse in some simple ways. So first, open your Windows settings, click Bluetooth and devices, go to your mouse settings, scroll down and look for additional mouse settings, then use the slider to change the speed. Now after doing that, click the Pointers Options tab, select a pointer speed by dragging the motion slider to the desired speed. Now a higher speed increases sensitivity, while a lower speed enhances precision. Additionally, you can choose whether to enhance pointer precision. Now pointer precision lets the mouse movement match the speed of your hand on the mouse. You can check the box if you want to enable this feature, or remove the check to disable it. Now once you have decided on the settings, save your changes by clicking Apply, then select OK. Now that's how easy and quick you can change the mouse speed and the mouse sensitivity on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.